Hello, this is Ishar, and today's meditation will be focused on overcoming sadness. So, when you're sad, your attention naturally starts to turn inwards, and you start to become more mindful of your emotions rather than paying attention to what is going on in the external world. So, this can be a wonderful opportunity to look inwards. And while we meditate upon sadness, it's important not to get lost in the contents of what made you sad. So don't think about the scenarios that made you sad, but rather just stay with the tactile feelings and sensations that are occurring. And what this does is that it allows you to fully feel your sadness without pushing it away, but you're also taking a step back and allowing space to be there. And what this does is that you are less reactive and less of a victim of your emotions, but rather you can experience things and see where it takes you. And you'll find that your sadness may actually transform altogether. So before we get started, find a comfortable seat and you can keep your spine upright, or if it's comfortable and you're able to do so, you may lay down, but just make sure you're not falling asleep. And with this meditation, it is preferable to keep your eyes closed if you're in a position to do so. And then take a short moment to feel gratitude for practicing today. For many people, meditation is simply not the go-to action when they're feeling sad. However, by meditating today, you're offering yourself kindness and compassion. So really thank yourself for doing this practice. And now start to withdraw your senses from the outside world. So pay less attention to different sounds around you and things around you. Gradually start to tune your attention inwards. And as you turn your attention inwards, see if you can locate the feelings of sadness in your body. So many people will feel sadness in their chest area, near the heart, or perhaps lower in the abdomen. Some people may even experience it in their hands or head area. See where in the body this emotion is accumulating around, and start to bring your attention there. And once your attention is on the location, begin to observe subtler textures and sensations. So, for example, when you're feeling sad, you may experience a certain heaviness or sinking feeling. The different emotions that we experience have a particular quality. So, for example, when we're feeling angry, there tends to be a feeling sense of sensations rising up in the body. And for joy, for example, your body may feel light. In sadness, many people experience a certain sinking or heavy feeling in the body. So see if you can pay attention to that without delving into the contents of your sadness. So rather than going on to different stories in your mind of what causes sadness, can you simply stay with a certain feeling of heaviness or the tactile sensations of sinking and just be with it? And you may find that as the spotlight of your attention goes to the area of sadness, the feelings of sadness may even amplify. However, don't fear this because you're actually doing yourself a favor by experiencing your emotions fully and letting them go rather than suppressing them for another time. So, even if you experience more sadness and you may want to cry or just move around, just embrace that fully without any resistance. Just knowing that you will get through anything and everything is okay. Just allow yourself to experience all these sensations and feelings fully without going into your thoughts. Begin to expand your awareness to the space around your sadness. So, are there areas next to the main area in which you feel sad that have no sensation whatsoever? And see if you can feel into the space and just observe, what do I feel in this area? So, for example, if you feel sadness in your chest, can you expand your awareness to now include the shoulders or the arms? And further expand these feelings of spaciousness by feeling your entire body. So, feeling the space in all areas of the body. And you'll find that as you do this, the sadness starts to diffuse, or at least reduce in its intensity. By feeling into the space, you become more of an observer and less attached or reactive to your sadness. Can you simply allow your sadness just to be contained and held in this space of awareness? And while your attention is still anchored in the body, bring your awareness to your face and see if you can put on a very soft smile. So if you're especially going through a lot, it may feel very fake. However, this very act of smiling can uplift your mood, and also remember to feel gratitude for having practiced So, can you allow yourself kindness by smiling, which in turn will uplift your mood? And then begin to silently repeat in your mind some positive affirmations which will help transform your sadness. This may look like, may I be happy and may I be peaceful, or may I feel better today, offering yourself compassion. Whatever your chosen phrase is, just begin to repeat that in your mind while still maintaining this very soft smile. And as we begin to end today's practice, just know at any time throughout your day, if you're ever feeling sad or any kind of heavy emotions, you can always start to turn your attention back inwards. Take a break from your daily activities and simply just notice what's going on and bring your awareness to these sensations without attaching to the contents of your thoughts. And the simple act of letting go may transform you more than you think. You may now rest your palms on your lap or bring your hands to a heart center. If you're laying down, you may put both palms on your chest. Once again, give yourself thanks for practicing today. Namaste.